In this video, I will show you how to change your currency in the Remitly app. So to do this, just go and open up Remitly, and once you are here, click on Manage in the bottom right. Now currently for me, my country is set to the Netherlands, which means my currency is Euro. Now first of all, if you want to change the currency you are sending to, then from here, just instead of, for example, for me it says sending to Pakistan, just click on whatever it says and select the country, and then it will also select that country in terms of their currency. However, if you want to change your own sending currency, then from here click Profile, and then scroll down a bit, and then here you will see Sending From. Go and click Edit. Then here just choose whichever country or currency you want to change to, for example United States, and then click Save. Now it's going to be changing my currency to the US dollar. As you can see, if I now click Send, at the top it should say US dollar, as you can see right here. So that's how you can change your currency in the Remitly app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.